Alright guys, so the deer was about right here, and I spooked him. They're going up there. It's a lost cause now because, well, already I got close enough, about 40 feet, but man, that was awesome. I mean, it's a deer. I can still see it up in the distance. Right, you see that white little line? That's one of the white tails. And you can tell, because like, one of them is absolutely fucking massive. And that might be buck, to be honest, because sheer size. You can even see the deer tracks, some of them at least. You can tell, oh shit, a deer has a little bit. And they print in pretty good, so gotta probably be over 100 pounds. If anything over 150, that's a good sized doe. And yeah, hunters were like, but we like bucks. Still pretty cool. I got closer to a doe than any of you guys. That a hunting stand. Yeah, look at that. Still beautiful. And it's on a school morning. And lacrosse practice day. Huh. That's still pretty fucking cool. Huh? I swore I saw something. We live, we eat children. We die down, 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 down. Alright, fucking weird. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Well, yeah, they're all over there, and they all know where I am. Hi, dear! I just want to take photos. Want to come over? I know where you are. You're really bad at hiding when you're that big. Well, actually, you're really good, since I don't notice. Where's the other one? Stop standing still. I already know you're there. Come closer. I demand at once. Dumbass deer call. Here. No, that's not working either. Maybe I have to become the buck. Roar. Okay, that's God. We live, we love, we lie down, 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 down. Imagine there's just one behind me. I wish I could get close up to one, like let's say one was in trouble so I could go and help it. Because then the deer would maybe become best friends. And you'd come over every day. And then you'd let me see his children. And then I'd turn them into my children and eat that. Yeah. Just because this process is getting down here is really steep and I don't want to trip, fall, and die. You know? I'm gonna go down. See ya.